what might be the most common issue which is preventing you from clearing this prelim stage of the UPSC examination. So the first important issue is the syllabus, right? So when we talk about syllabus, obviously syllabus is same for each and every individual who is appearing for the UPSC examination, but the understanding of the syllabus is not same for each and everyone. Some of you might be having a clear idea about that, yes, there are certain high scoring areas based upon the previous year's question ka trend. So when we talk about certain key areas which is based upon the PYQ trend, which is also based upon certain specific section that UPSC might be focusing more upon, right? So few high yield area, right? So these might be the areas which UPSC recently is focusing more upon, and if you are having clear idea about these particular areas, you will be able to shift your focus more towards those areas, clearing those particular basic concepts. So the basic conceptual clarity, these particular things from the perspective of syllabus need to be very, very clear at your end from the very beginning in order to understand that what is the psyche of UPSC and how you should be preparing for this examination, specifically for the prelims, because we are right now concerned about the prelims